I'm Dad.
Hi, I'm Dom.
And this is Friday Workshop. Friday Workshop!
Friday Workshop!
Awesome! Another week.
Yeah.
And for everyone out there, another Friday.
Yeah.
What are we doing this week in the workshop?
This week in the workshop, we are launching a model rocket.
What? We're not doing a woodworking project?
Yeah! First time since electronics.
So we're gonna be doing some rocket science here. Dom's got this model rocket.
Yeah.
It goes 1,100 feet.
And it's 335 meters.
Yeah. So we're converting the wood shop over to metric slowly.
Yeah. According to this, there's 500 million launchers in over 60 years.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of launches. We got the biggest, strongest, baddest engines that we could get for it. So we're hoping for max height.
Yeah.
So that's what we're hoping for. Well, anything else?
No. Here we go. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and start construction on the rocket. This will be very difficult because it's rocket science.
It couldn't be hard, it's just rocket science.
Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start construction on the base of the rocket. So let's go ahead and start. Part goes right. Go. Crazy.
And what are we doing now?
Now we're going to go ahead and set up the rocket so that we can shoot it off into the sky.
All right. So we have the rocket. We have the fuse inside.
Yep.
And then we're just gonna put the fuse in, and then we're gonna lock that cap on.
All right.
So, and the cap is locked on. All right.
Alright, so we got the rocket stand all set up.
Put this side. One clip to this side.
Now we have both connected.
They're separated. They're connected.
Yep. We got batteries in the remote.
We're gonna back away.
Yep. Live here. Got the rocket ready.
10,
T-minus 10 seconds to launch.
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Prepare. Wow.
we shot off a rocket.
We are now considered rocket scientists.
Yeah, we might as well just apply to NASA. Or
Yeah.
NASA, if you're watching this,
Yeah.
you,
We're qualified.
look us up.
Yeah.
We shot off a rocket.
Yeah.
So, yes. Yeah, I want to do it again. I want to do it with a bigger rocket. You know?
Yeah, that'd be so much fun.
I want to put the GoPro on it and shoot a rocket off, or a balloon, like a weather balloon or
You
something.
imagine if we got like cool pictures of the stars. Oh, that'd be so cool.
So cool. Okay, so that's probably a future video.
Yeah.
Uh,
That's long in the future. I don't even know if that'll happen this year.
Who knows? You know how you'll know though
Yeah.
is by subscribing to our videos and clicking that bell notification, and you will get links to all of our future videos and notified whenever we put out something cool like shooting off our rocket.
Yeah.
So, holy cow, what a fun week. What a fun Friday workshop.
Yeah. That was a lot of fun. Shooting off a rocket is so much fun.
Awesome. Well, until next time.
See ya.
See ya.